Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more than one photo on Facebook story. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply get up to your Facebook account and then go to your profile section by typing on your profile photo on your left upper side. Then just as you can see on your left upper side by a blue side, you have add to story. Just click on that selection and you need to go for gallery and select a photo. For example, we'll go with just download, and I will go with this photo. Now what I need to do to get more photos right here, I need just to go for stickers, and as you can see right down on my left side I have an option for gallery section. I will click on that gallery, and here I need to select photos that could be also included in this story. I will go with this one, and I will go again on the sticker side, again on this side, and choose this selection. And now as you can see, we have added more than one photo on our Facebook story. Now I'm gonna show you that this is possible, and now I'm gonna just upload it to get that full attention of this video. Now as you can see, it needs to get processed to this video, and we have done it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.